In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to turn off keypad sounds on the following device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and as you can hear, it is active right now. But if you'd like to turn it off, go to the settings, reach sound, and here click on advanced. Now go to dial pad tones, smoothly turn it off, and now, as you can hear, it is no longer active, so you can mute it pretty quickly and easily. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.